I wish you wouldn't start wrestling practice like this. I just feel like we get out here, we're already in singlets, and you start praying before we get down to it. Like,
well, I feel like it's a mental thing, you know what I mean? I just don't want.
No, I get it. God is your sword and shield, but you can pray before we actually get on the mat.
Yeah, but I want you to understand that God is my shield.
I understand. You won't talk about anything else.
I talk about several things that are different.
Such as?
David.
David is in the Bible.
But he's not Jesus, is he? He's just a dude.
I just, like, did you check out comic books like I asked you?
Did you? Sorry, I don't know.
Yeah.
I like history.
Okay. Well, no, keep saying what you were saying, and I'll go ahead and get in position. Get ready.
Oh, sorry I'm late, guys. Here,
Thanks, Ref.
Here, give you the whistle. Tweet!
Oh, shit.
See, a lot of people don't realize.
Don't talk about the scripture.
I'm going to talk about the scripture. I'm going to talk about it.
Don't do it.
Reversal 2.
It's only one. It's only one wrestling.
So guys,
Yeah.
we've had some information come to light.
Yeah.
Are you father and son?
It's a father and son wrestling league.
Is that not what we signed up for?
The rest of us are fathers and sons.
Wait, what the hell does that mean?
It's a sex thing.
All right.
What's sex, Dad?
Where'd they go?